various things to be done so that, or before you could reach an
Yes.
adoption stage. You
You
could
have to follow procedures and processes that are accepted.
nekulandele
adopt.
imikhombandlela evunyiweyo ebekweyo.
Andizukungena ke kwezinye zikhona nazo apho.
I am not going to mention all others. Various others are also
Ishwa nje esinalo lelokuba umasipala i-roles zakhe kufuneka azazi nani nizazi, and also kubekho i-good relationship between umasipala ne-community.
and also the municipality should know its roles, and the community should also know these roles, and there should exist a good working relationship between the municipalities and the community.
Semkile ke u-deputy mayor for ukwazi
The
ezo.
deputy mayor has already left.
But we hope he has got a document.
Siyathemba kodwa ke inkcukacha zonke unazo.
Masingene ke emcimbini wokuba si-identify izandla zabantu abaredi ukunika input apha ngaphambili.
Let us therefore proceed to the issue of persons raising hands who could contribute also.
Ulungelekile ke into kokubana ukuba awunqweneli ukuzoma apha ngaphambili and ezinye izinto zibucayi okanye zisensitive, uselo document yakho pha kumagosa ethu.
You are also permitted, if you do not wish, because of some reasons, to stand here in front, you can have your submissions, written submissions. You can take the written submission, submit them over there by that table.
And let's request the department officials to take notes of all what is going to be raised here.
Amagosa esebe mawaqwalasele yonke into eza kuthethwa apha.
I noted down for them to answer some of other things that are not clear to people.
Bayibhale phansi ngoba kofika ithuba ibe ngabo abaphendula ezinye izinto ekufuneka zenziwe.
Thank you very much.
Enkosi.
Can I note the hands? Can I note the hands?
Ndingaqaphela izandla.
You can come, ma'am. You will be the first one to break the ice, and you will be fortunate because sakunika ithuba eli enough to say something. Ukhona omnye? You will be out by 9, Monsieur.
Sawuphume ngekabethi no9.
Sawuthatha nje 5 minutes uthetha kwalo siphume sihambe.
We will take 5 minutes and
Huh? The second one, okay. The third one, you can come.
khona umuntu wesithathu makaze.
Hayibo, kuthena uhleli phansi intombi uphethwe imilenze. Iza apha ngaphambili. Eke, but just nje i-camera le isemva kwakungayisithi. Thank you very much. How many are you? 4?
Niba ngaphi?
5, Mama Iza.
Wesihlanu.
You can come, Mama.
It is.
Okay. Aphelile ke ngoku. It means masiqhube with these ones that are in front of us.
We can continue with the ones that we have on the line.
Over to you, Mama. Introduce yourself.
Ungaza mama usuzazisa.
Goeiemôre almal.
Goeiemôre, ma.
My naam is Chrissy Jacobs. Ek
Okay.
is van Mosselbaai. Ek
From
wil net-
Mossel Bay.
Ja.
Okay.
Ek
Correct.
wil net wys hoe moeilik dit is om 'n kind in permanente sorg, pleegsorg te plaas of vir adoption.
I just want to talk about how difficult it is to place a child in foster care or to be adopted.
Ja, ons het 'n baba aangeneem van 7 maande af in 2018.
Excuse me, can we request the interpreters? Do we have one mic for you, all of you too? And then can we request you to take away the mask and then you'll put it on? Because we are looking at your mouths now.
Sorry.
Carry
Could you
on,
just
ma'am.
repeat the last statement?
Okay. Ons het 'n 7 maande baba aangeneem in 2018.
In 2018, we adopted a 7-month-old baby.
Ja, dit was met van die ouma met die ma gewees, maar die ma was afwesig.
The mom was absent. We adopted it from the grandmother.
Yes, so we had the private arrangements. Ons het 'n private reëlings gehad. 2018, hy was 7 maande, 2019 Februarie. Dan het ons na die social services toe gegaan in Municipality in die dorp.
We went to social services in Mossel Bay in the town.
Ja, en tussenin het ons gereeld opgevolg met hulle en die ouma het in die Kaap opgevolg by die Bethesda in Strandfontein. in
We
Strand.
regularly followed up with them, and the grandmother also followed up in, was it Cape Town?
Yes, in Cape Town. So, maar tussenin is het baie moeilik geweest. Tussenin in Municipality het die een social worker op early pension gegaan, toe daar ander social worker gegaan. So, elke keer ons gegaan het, was het moeilik. Ons kon net nie, kom dat ons papiere invul en
There was
dat
much difficulties with different social workers.
yes, en dat die proses begin kon word nie. So,
We could not get the process started properly.
yes, every time difficulties. So ons het toe later het ons 'n datum gekry in die Strand waar ons by die kinderhof moes wees.
We eventually got a date in Strand where we had to be at the children's court.
We went there even, but that specific day nothing could have been done. Niks kon gedoen geword het nie, want die papierwerk was ook weer een plekkie intussen het van die papiere ook selfs weggeraak.
The paperwork was not ready and some of it was even lost.
Ja. So vroeër in die jaar kon ons toe by Municipality se hof begin met die fosterkie. Ons wil eintlik graag ons wetlike aanneming van die kind doen. Hy is
Earlier in
nou,
the year we started with foster care, but we actually want to do a legal adoption.
yes. Ons is nou die papierwerk vir dit is begin. Ons wil hom aanneem wetlik.
We have started the paperwork and we do want to adopt him legally.
ISIP, if possible. So hy is nou al 3 jaar en 7 maande. So it's been 3 years we've been struggling with
He's
this.
now 3 years old and 7 months.
Yes.
Put the child in foster care. Yeah.
And
3 years
even
and 7 months waiting.
whenever we called, my husband called for the social workers in Cape Town, the receptionist het altyd gemaak asof sy die social worker is. So dit is 'n ander gedeelte waarmee ons moes gedeel het.
The receptionist often posed as the social worker when they called.
Yes, so it was really not nice for us. And then, Madam Speaker, of wie eers het nog gevra of ons die bil gaan aanvaar. Ek aanvaar die bil met voorbehou.
I accept the bill, but not entirely.
Ja, dat die aanneming veral met die ouers, die biologiese ouers wat afwesig is, aanvaar ek dit met die voorbehou dat die proses vergemaklik moet word.
The process needs to be much easier.
Yes, so that wanneer die goed begin moet word, die proses, dan weet ons, I mean, it's been, how long now? 3 years we've been struggling. So yeah, that is my point of view.
Okay, dankie. Ons hoor you. The next one, thank you.
You need to let social development needs to. Yes. You must tell them. Jay.
You know, in a situation of this nature, when we are in these meetings, we immediately request any social worker that can check the story with her and try to assist her. So can I
Kwiimeko
request
ezinje
from
siye
you
sicele
that are
uba
seated here?
unontlalontle abe khona ukuncedisa. Athathe neenkcukacha zabantu phantsi.
Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Amor van Lochenberg. I'm a social worker and I'm currently employed in the sector of ECD. But as a social worker, we are all viewing ourselves as mothers of the nation's children. So the Children's Act is close to every social worker's heart. And therefore, I want to say thank you for making the amendments to the bill because they were necessary amendments, really.
Ndifuna ukuthi
And
enkosi
in principle, I
nge-amendment.
accept that.
Kwaye ndiyavumelana naye.
There are
Asibantu kuvanga nokuthini sisi. Iyathetha lento into kunayo nguwe othethele ezantsi.
okay, so
Ebesithini ngiqalele ekuqaleni asivanga mfundini.
okay, good morning. I'm Amor van Lochenberg.
Molweni bethu nana.
I'm a social worker by profession, currently working in this ECD sector.
Ndingunontlalontle ndiphangela kwi-ECD Centre.
But as a social worker, we view ourselves as the mothers of all the children of the nation.
Njengonontlalontle ke sizibona singabazali boluntu.
And that is where it comes